Welcome to Andy's Garage. I'm Andy Phillips. Today I'm going to show you how to remove the windshield wiper arms from a Jeep Wrangler. This is a TJ. Let's go ahead and get started. What we're talking about is this entire arm assembly here, not the windshield wiper blade. If you want to see how to replace the blades on a Jeep Wrangler TJ, I'll have the link across the top, also down in the description. But what we're going to be focusing on in this video is the arm itself. So we're going to be disconnecting it here from that rod. Now it's important, before you get started, you want to make sure you see where the windshield wipers are lined up, because we are going to have to make sure that they line up properly when we put them back on after taking them off. This is pretty easy because you have this black border around the windshield, and you'll see the blades right there are roughly about 1/8 to 1/4 of an inch below that. So that's an easy line to match up with. On other vehicles, you'll have markings on the windshield so you can see where they line up. But this one here, it's pretty easy right here. Now, the only thing that I'm going to be using is just a flathead screwdriver. You can use a Phillips screwdriver as well. But there's a little lip here because there's a clip that has to be dropped down that disconnects it so it'll slide off. And I'll get a close-up of it right here. There's the clip. You can see that little bit of a hook kind of lip hanging down. That's what you're going to pull down on. And if we come up here on top, you can see right here on the sides, these two little points here, almost kind of like a C-clip or an E-clip kind of coming through. So we're going to drop that down and that'll release it. And here's a little bit of a view here from the other side so you can see it. And there it is coming up. But all we're going to do is take the flathead screwdriver and just gently pop it down out of place so it'll release it so we can slide it off, and it's as simple as that. We'll take our flathead screwdriver, put it right up in there, and just gently pull down on it. Now with the clip pulled down, and I'll show you here how it looks. You can see those two little ends of the clip are now pulled down. So this should slide right off. We'll just grab it like this. Comes right off. And you'll notice here how it's grooved. Same on the inside. That's why it's so important when you line it back up to put it back on that you match it up where we had the markings here, because otherwise you're going to be off and it's going to be hitting the frame or not covering properly. So you want to make sure that you line it up so it catches the grooves just right when you lock it back on after you either replace them or refinish them, whatever you're going to do. Here's a close-up of that locking mechanism so you can see how it works. Right there would release it, and then that would lock it. So you can see there it's released and then locked. So this one's off. Next, we're going to do the one on the passenger side. It'll be the same process. We'll head over there and do that one and then wrap this up. So just like the other side, we're going to move this out. We're going to get that clip, gently slide it down with the screwdriver, and then pull this arm off as well. And there it is, both of them off. Very quick and easy. That wraps up this video on how to remove the windshield wiper arms on a Jeep Wrangler TJ. I hope that this video was informative for you. I hope it helped you out with any projects that you're working on with your Jeep. If you want to see any of my other videos, I have a lot of other videos that I've done pertaining to the Jeep Wrangler TJ. You'll be able to check those out via the links down in the description. So please like this video, subscribe to my channel as I'm constantly posting new content. I appreciate all the support, and I'll see you next time.